Hey, this is Shakara. Quick question. Your outline was in a perfect world. I know you can't go through every scenario, but what are some things that make that world imperfect?
I love it. That's a great question, Shakara. So, something that would make it imperfect. All right, so I'll give you a real life story, right? So, I had y'all, we can't make this stuff up. I had a buyer who him and his fiance was buying a home. They came to me pre-approved with a lending company that I will not name. I did not trust them because I've done business with them before, and they will give a dog a pre-approval. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go through the rigmarole, but I encouraged them to apply with another lender. They lender ended up falling, that just like I thought they would. And we end up moving them on. Long story short, we was able to get them pre-approved, found them a house, went out, everything was going smooth. The entire time, the husband did not trust me. He kept saying, well, my uncle did this and my daddy did that. Sir, that was 30 years ago. Every 6 months, this market can change. It's not the same. He still wasn't listening, and I'm not gonna argue with him. I don't argue, y'all. Either we're gonna work together or we're not. So what happened was, we got to our clear to close, right? The lender told the buyer, the guy, the husband, do not, because what came up on his report was he owed child support. The lender saw how much it was. She said, do not pay this amount. You have the money. I'm going to add it to your closing costs. We'll pay it for you at closing. Did he listen? No. So what happened? We went to do our final walkthrough, waiting to close the next day to get the key. The lender called me and said, I told him not to pay that child support. He paid it. And guess what the lender had to do? She had to call the child support and verify that he actually paid it. Where if they would have paid it themselves, they didn't need to verify because they know they paid it. And guess what happened, y'all? The child support or IRS, whoever it was, told the lender he actually owes more than what's reported.
Oh my.
So guess what happened? We did not close. And we were supposed to close the next day. And the seller had moved out and cleaned the house and did everything we asked, and we didn't close. Shakara, was that a good example?
That was, okay. So we can screw it up, basically.
Listen to your realtor and your lender. Don't make any move. If you have a question or if you want to do something or you're not sure, always ask first. Always err on the side of caution. They're always going to find out. Like you're not going to get anything past them. So just say, and then if you're trying to hide something, that's usually fraud. So don't do that because you can't go to jail. So just always ask.
Subscribe now.